This cat only appears in old photographs. In New Orleans, tourists take pictures in the graveyard. Later, when they check, every photo has a black cat sitting on a tomb. But when they return to that exact spot, the cat is gone. The oldest photo dates back to 1890. Same cat, same grave. Some say the cat is the ghost of a woman who died in childbirth. They say her soul is trapped in the cemetery and she's searching for her child who died with her. Would you dare to take a picture there at night? Let me know your thoughts below. This has been the story of the photograph cat.